Hi there, I'm Nick Zappala with Biamp. Here we are at InfoComm 2026, and I have an exciting control announcement. Um, Now we have, built on our workplace command infrastructure, we now have workplace control. We have the ability to design touchscreens and control our Tessera and QTX software and also third-party gear. So we have this brand new interface, and one of the biggest things that we've tried to do is keep it simple when you need it to be simple. So here, if I go into this Tessera configuration over here, Tessera already told me what stuff it has. So I'm able to just go in, drop something in, deploy it, and go. So it's if I'm controlling Biamp equipment, it's just that easy. If I need to pop the hood, there's actually now an entire flow-based control interface. So when I drop a fader in here, this slider is connected to, I can click on this guy, and he tells me, oh, I'm this slider, I'm connected to this level control, and I'm able to, go ahead and change things and change behaviors. I've also got a lot of third-party control options, including the ability to create device drivers from Lua. So I can drag a Lua script in here. Let me zoom in a little bit. And I'm able to go in and change, I'm able to go in, program something for the control system, and I am able to, for controlling external devices, I'm able to get in, you know, write some code. It's all very compact. It goes back into the node graph, and I'm able to control a lot of the usual suspects. If I go over here, I can control, TCP, UDP, SSH, REST. All these things are built in. We've created this environment to make a very simple way for you to create flexible modules in a way that we weren't, that we simply could, that this is far beyond what we could do before.